Hi all, this is part of the WebICP5. First I'm going to show the to-do list application. Here is a to-do app. I used the Bootstrap to get a good view, and I also used Angular materials, which is some part of this. It gives this nice UI for the to-do list thing, and here I used two input fields where I can get the title of the to-do item, and I can give some content, describe something where I can remember something and do something or whatever. And then I will click on create. I have given a create to-do button, so whenever I enter something like in the one assignment to complete assignment 3 by Sunday and submit it online. So this is a to-do item which I created, and now you see here first it just shows the title, and if we try to expand this using the arrow, it'll display the content which we have, and in that field we can delete an item by clicking on this delete thing. So here we saw, now I have already deleted iOS launch event which I created, and this is another to do item which I would like to delete it. And I can add something like this. Now you see the new to do item has been added, and you'll also have a delete item title and the content. I'll go to the code. So yeah, as I've described, I used Angular material component, Angular material HTML elements, where you see the mat accordion is nothing but a list which is displayed in this format, and you can give the expression panel, which is nothing but this header value which we related it to as title. Sorry, the header and the post, and yeah, and this is the header where we give the title, and in that we get another field where you can write something for its body if you'd like to. So that's where we gave our content here, and in the action row is nothing but where we would like to add some features or things like delete, in our case, where which does some action of deleting an element. That is the purpose of this delete button and this mat action row. This entirely is in describes one to do item, and this will be looping based on this posts id. Initially I gave two posts which were displayed during the start of the application. Later on, when a new user tries to add the post, the title and the content will be gathered from the HTML element here, and it will be posted, it will be sent back to the JS page, JS part. And here we try to create an object and push it into the post value, sorry, post variable. And whenever you want to delete an item, we'll get the post number, and we will loop through the items and then delete the element with the post item. That is the end for to-do list. Now we'll move on to calculator. Yeah, this is our calculator. One of the main features in our calculator is like whenever we is a clear button, and we'll disable the action fields like the star, multiply, division, and subtract. We will disable the values once we click on them, like in order so that the user won't uh, click on them while entering the after entering the second variable. Let's go ahead and try to do some calculations. 115. As you can see, we can use a clear option when and wherever we want. It doesn't impact the calculations at all. You can see 2 3 plus. Now as you saw, once the first number is entered and the action like subtraction, multiplication, or division is clicked, these fields will become disabled so that we don't press it. The user will never press will not press until he clicks an equal to. And you see 5, I can clear the 5 now. It doesn't impact my calculations at all. Now you can see the value which we got. So I'm clearing it and I'll try to do all the operations once again. 5 into 5. No, I'll clear it. So previously there was a 5, now I'll enter a 2 and click on equal to. It becomes 10. We got the result for multiplication. Now as you can see, the symbols have been re-enabled. So yeah, now you can carry on your task with this 10 itself. You don't need to clear it like a real calculator. If you see 10 minus 100, no, I'll use a clear function once again. 10 minus 19, the result should be minus 9. As you can see, it's minus 9. Now you can carry on your calculation from here itself. You don't need to enter or do something or clear the value unlike others. So minus 9 plus 20, you got 11. That's how we do it. And yeah, I'm just using multiplication. Yeah, so 22 divided by 2. Okay, yeah, that's all for yeah. Going to the code part, I used two functions, mainly three functions. One is the number clear function and the operation function. So this operation function, whenever we click on star button, I'll pass a parameter like multiplication, division, addition, subtraction based on the parameter, and if it's a number, I'll pass the number value. So you can see I'm trying to append the each and every digit which the user is entering and trying to show it displayed. And whenever there is an operator, I'll get the operation and the string value, which is nothing but add so here I'll try to whenever the user clicks on any operator, what I'll do is I'll get the value in the input field here and the operation which the user has entered and try to push it into an array in these two values. Like here you see I push the input value and the operator, and I'll store it. And whenever the user enters the next value and clicks on equal to, my result will be triggered. And in this result, what I'll be doing is I'll see if the buffer length is 2, which is nothing but the first value and the operator. If it is 2, then I will proceed and pop the first operator and the value, and based on the operation which we get from this function, we will see if it is add, we will add the first number, and we will add the first value and the simple. And I also give a clear operation, which is nothing like but here. This is how it's done. Thank you guys.